down, shit has been too long. Can it be that I still haven't moved on? Can it really be that I'm still holding on to the past? Something that's already gone. Fooling myself every day just to get by, telling myself lies, maybe I should just die. Thoughts about committing suicide a few times, cause you're the only thing I see when I close my eyes. Have you ever cried so much that your eyeball gets dry? Cried so much that there's no more tears to cry. Since the day you left, baby, I feel so empty, why? And you're never coming back, so why? I still try. It's official now, I lost my mind. You got me going crazy, and love got me blind. I feel so numb now, am I still alive? Cause I'm pretty sure I'm already dead inside.
Baby, I'm lonely, can somebody hold me? It feels like I'm falling now, I can't hold my breath. It feels like I'm only trying but slowly. It feels like I'm falling now, I can't hold my ground no more.
I'm truly hurt, but I know you're hurt too, cause there's no more me and you. So I drank down this liquor, trying to forget her, but the drugs didn't work and made the pain worse, making me think back of how we first met. Like how did something so good turn on so bad? I'm trying to live life with no more fucking regrets, but then the flashbacks always come back. I think you stole my heart, so can you please give it back? Cause I should have had gone to the next. I would've moved on and let go of the past. I guess it was all lies when you said I love you. Us letting go, was it the best thing to do? So I got the news, you're with someone new. I see that you're smiling, so I'm happy for you. We sacrificed our friendship for a better future. We was once friends, but now we're just strangers.
I'm lonely, can somebody hold me?